Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in Baia del Carpino today and it started to rain. I mean, the view is still spectacular. There's only a big cloud right over our heads. In any case, it's a little bit rainy, but I'm going to show you this really cool new property. Baia del Carpino is booming. Check it out. Hi guys, okay, it's rainy today. I was hoping it was going to be sunny. I really wanted to show you this property in the sun, but if you look, that's the sea right there, over just beyond your cute little garden. And I'm telling you, the walk along the sea there is absolutely gorgeous. But this is a really pretty little garden here with a little patio. And in summer, it's gonna be lovely. Plus there's this covered little patio splash porch here, which is very nice too. So we're gonna go in and check this out. This is 100 square meters, 2 beds, I think 2 bathrooms. Let's see what they got. Okay, we just walked inside. There's a very spacious living room. Now, of course, all of the summer furniture is stuffed inside, and everything else is stuffed inside too. But it is a large space. It's very well maintained. It looks like it was freshly painted. It's got a nice wooden staircase, which is nice, and a really cute little railing on it. Very, very good. Once again, with it all stuffed full of stuff, you really can't see how big it is, but it's a quite large living space. Let's go in and see the kitchen. Oh, it looks like they redid some of the floors and the tiles. Cute ideas. Oh, you got a nice, good-sized bathroom and laundry room in here. That's extremely handy. Ooh, what a pretty kitchen. Look at this, you guys. I love it. These are some Amalfitana kind of tiles here, which are very pretty and blue and white. They didn't go with all the other Amalfitana teals and yellows and things like that. But it's a very pretty, very typically Amalfi kitchen, very nicely laid out. Good enough in size so you can actually move about a little bit, but very, very pretty. I do love these tiles. And from the kitchen, you got a door heading out. And I see you have a lemon tree and a beautiful garden back here. Oh wow, look at, you got your nice, beautiful lemon tree. The garden goes back quite a ways. Now, some people we know are sort of bricking over these whole gardens so that they have a big patio out there. And it makes it a little easier to maintain. However, that said, you can do what you want. You can put in pomegranate trees, you can put in mandarin trees. This lemon tree is absolutely stunning. And these are hydrangeas. For some reason, they're not blooming right now, but they look like they're getting ready to. That's gonna be super pretty. It's a lovely private patio. Just came up the stairs here. I'm gonna show you bedroom number 2 first. This is the second bedroom, which is, could be a guest room, could be a studio. It's actually really, really comfortable. And in summer, this is the cooler room. So who knows, you might even want to sleep in here. I just love all the little finishes. There's a beautiful handbag up there, pretty baskets. This little armadio is stunning. Of course, it doesn't come with the house unless you maybe make an arrangement with the owners, but they have some really beautiful taste. And I love the little stripedy things up along the ceiling. That's a really nice feature. Now, back here, you have a very, very nice balcony. And this balcony is super comfy. It's covered too, which is nice for laundry and stuff like that. And you have this beautiful garden back here. There's parking there, and there's parking all along the perimeter. Actually, there's parking everywhere. There's a ton of parking here in Baia del Carpino. Even in August, when we were over here filming the other place, there was still parking, and August is when everybody's here. So parking is not a problem in Baia del Carpino. Now, I wanted to show you this pretty bathroom. Look at it. Okay, so they did the blue tiles on the floor, which is good so you don't get dizzy when you're looking where you're gonna walk. But look what they did inside the shower. Now that is a beautiful shower, very modern, very brand new. And these tiles are gorgeous. These are like really truly Amalfitana tiles, super colorful, the teals, the yellows, the blues. My favorite color palette. And so this whole bathroom is just really pretty. You got a little shelf up there. You got everything you need here, your toilet, your bidet, and your little sink and everything else. And a really comfortable size shower. It's not one of them little tiny piccolo things. This is a good size shower. Now, here's the master bedroom. And I love this room because it's huge. Look how big it is. And you got this really beautiful light fixture. Now that may or may not come with the house. You're gonna have to determine and make sure you include it in the compromesso if it does. Here you got this gorgeous bedroom here. And check this out, guys. Here's this lovely balcony. Big, spacious, clean, nicely redone. I mean, it looks like it just got painted. And there's your view. Look at it. Oh my goodness. That is a crazy view. Now down here is Scalea. So you just get in your car, boom, you're there. I'm not even kidding. It's like 5 minutes and you're there at Jenny's having coffee, or you're over at the Conad or wherever you need to be, or those along there are the Lidos along the beaches. You can see Chirella Island from here. If you look real close behind the tree, you can see almost all the way to Diamante, which is just on the other side of that point. So guys, this is a really beautiful place. They've really touched it up and made it really comfortable. There's really nothing you need to do right away. And all you do is come in, hang your hat, come out with your coffee, and enjoy this stunning, stunning view. So let me know what you think. Put it in the comments, and we're gonna look for you here. See you guys.